Imagine a flock of starlings swirling in the sky, shifting shape in perfect unison. This mesmerizing display is more than just beauty, it's a stunning example of swarm intelligence. Each bird follows simple rules: keep close, match speed, avoid collisions. There's no leader, yet the group acts with incredible coordination. Ants, too, build complex colonies by following pheromone trails, solving problems that would baffle a single insect. By studying these natural marvels, scientists have unlocked new ways to create systems that solve complex tasks with remarkable efficiency.